Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Wednesday, July the 28th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So SPX down 2 points here. We're getting a little bit of a choppy day here today. Still a red spinning top here on the weekly chart. Daily chart with a narrow range inside day as we head into the Fed. So what do you think, guys? Think this is going to be an ABC down? A, B, C, J pal, little irritable pal syndrome, and boom, the wave C down. Let's be cautious about it, right? It's very, very possible. So that's rate announcements coming out at 2 o'clock. 2:30 is the press conference. So definitely something to keep an eye on there. SPY, low volume here so far, but if we do get that wave C down, expect that volume to work its way back up. But generally been pretty choppy here and still holding the lows of the day here on SPY. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, really choppy type stuff right here. You can see this is actually turning into one big triangle, and we're just kind of chopping around our range right here. We did lose the geometric line here this morning, but we came back up and tested it. We chopped around for a little bit, down again, and just kind of doing its thing here into the Fed. So, and we're having fun with it the whole way. So, MES, let's take a look here. And one thing we could do here is just go ahead and this last little geo right here. Let's see how that holds going into the afternoon, right? Oops, went in it closer there. There we go. Estimate there, and then keep an eye on this triangle here too. So again, they're not expecting any sort of rate change or anything like that, but any hints at tapering could get things a little bit sketchy going into the Fed here. So the Qs, again, decent breakdown this morning through our geometric line and then back up through it. Now retesting it here. The IWM, this one gave us a long opportunity here today. It gave a nice breakout, just a true V reversal on this one, a nice push to the upside. XLF, let's take a look. Okay, XLF, so I expect this one to move going into the Fed here today. So let's see what that does. Again, it was a sharp drop here this morning, and it's kind of triangulating here right now. So let's see how that goes going into the afternoon. VIX might get a little bit perky into the Fed as well. It's starting to perk up a little bit here. Apple, again, earnings last night and down about like $2 right here. So again, choppy like we expected. Tesla, let's take a look at this one here. So Tesla really super duper choppy here today. Gave us a little bit of a pop and then just kind of triangulating here as well. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, where is it? There it is. Wait, no. Bitcoin, how about this time? Bitcoin over $40,000. That's good. This is bullish for Bitcoin right here. It's over its ADMA here, looking pretty good. Inside day up into the cloud. So let's see how that holds here going into the afternoon. We've also got a couple chart requests out here. We got AMD. AMD with a great move today, guys. Nice push. Again, it was rough after earnings. It was choppy and all that stuff. But once it cleared this level right here, that gave it a nice move. And it's kind of settling here, kind of hanging out at the high of the day right now. So let's see how that goes after the Fed. Mr. Softy, earnings yesterday too. Looks like they just announced some sort of acquisition. So just kind of chopping around right here. Not as exciting as everything else. Google. Again, good old Google at $91 here today, and just kind of just blah price action. But it was a pretty amazing gap up there as usual for Google. Shop, again, looking a little bit blah here after earnings, and they beat on earnings and revenue and still kind of down here. So we'll see if we get a reversal back up later next week. Boeing had a big gap up here, guys. We won on that one from the show last night. Big push up here, and then an upper shadow. Look at that, right off of the 50-day moving average. So good stuff, guys. We're going to see how things go into the Fed. Of course, in our group, we're going live into the press conference, and we'll be talking about that. And good stuff, guys. Hope everybody's great rest of the trading day. We'll see you guys in the market wrap. Until then, stay healthy out there. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.